Nice to meet you. I'm Sudian from Elliptic. So I'd like to introduce to you with our first generation of the tiny action camera. So as you can see, for the product itself, we have a dual side magnetic design like this. You can do a selfie for yourself and also to do other content by shooting like this way. So this camera is detachable. That means you can stick it with our accessory and wear that in front of your chest to have some like true first-person view of shot. So we also have a very special design for the screen itself. As you can see, we have a very tiny here, but has a tiny bar here. No. So you can personalize some the features that you use most frequently here. And every time you like to change the settings, you just need to click the single button within 1 sec. Very quick, very convenient.
Nice. You can have shortcuts.
Yeah, that's one of my favorite.
And it says AK. Is it for real?
Yeah, for sure. As you can see here.
AK30.
AK30 for the video motion. We have
AK60, no?
No AK60. That's too high for this tiny camera.
Okay.
And for the photo, we have 50. Here's no photo here. So I like to add a photo and then click. So you can see the photo now. The highest
Does it
photo.
do AK HEVC H265 codec? What's the codec for the AK?
AK.
How big are the files? It's gonna be big, right?
Yeah, definitely, because it's AK. It's definitely big. But
can we check the menu when you go to AK?
Yes.
So you go in video mode there, and then you choose AK, and it says duration unlimited. Nice. You can choose. There's no limit how much you record.
Yeah, but you can choose
okay.
like a ratio and the duration.
Is there more settings you can show about the video?
Yeah, for sure. But that only depends on like you can change some parameters, like swipe the screen.
And over here,
yeah,
is it playback?
It's to preview. Playback is
Preview?
like this, yes.
And down here is the settings like this?
Yes.
And from up?
From
here's
from
more
this
settings.
screen, yes.
All right. And here I go around in the settings menu. Sorry, I enjoyed looking at this.
Yeah.
So this
we have
camera
internal
storage, SD card, format, and I guess it could be. There's nothing about video recording. Oh, maybe there. There you can choose bitrate, standard or high. So that's the compression.
Yes.
All right. Maybe somewhere else. We'll check later on the specs. So what's the price and what's the availability for this?
We haven't finalized the price yet, but I would like to say that will be around like $400 to $500. Depends on what kinds of accessories or what kinds of SKU you choose.
So if I go to 4K, I can go to 60.
You can go to 120.
120. 120 is only for slow motion or also
no, it's for like slow motion. You can have 4K 120, but for the normal version, you also can have it.
Nice. How long is the battery?
Good question. So for the single one, the battery life will last around 90 minutes. And
even in 8K?
No, for sure not.
In 4K 60?
4K 60 is around like an hour, I like to say. But for like some lower resolution, that will around like 90 minutes. And also you can have this one with you, the duration will be less more than 200 minutes.
And it's wireless?
Yeah, it's wireless.
So you can put this somewhere else? How far?
For sure, like the distance we are here to announce is like 50 meters, more than 50 meters. That will be very stable. And for the capacity, we also have this battery. So that means even you are shooting, you can directly to change the battery without interrupting your shooting.
There's a changeable battery.
Yeah, so...
And it's recorded locally on here. There's a memory in there, or the memory is only there?
Internal memory is here, and the SD card memory is here.
So there's when you have wireless, it's actually recording here, you're just viewing live view here.
Yes.
And then when you connect it later, does it synchronize from built-in memory to the SD? This microSD or no?
No, you need to like input the storage, like transfer the in storage with the from the camera to the application.
How many terabytes storage?
Two versions, 64 and 128. We have two versions.
128 gigabytes?
Yes.
And is there any storage in this part here?
No, you need to have insert a SD card, and it's support up to 1 TB.
So what I want to do, you know, I want to record with this and then connect. And when I connect, it transfers the file to the microSD in high quality copy.
Yes.
Keep 2 copy.
Yes.
So just in case, if I lose this or this, I still have my data.
Yes.
You know? And it's
Exactly.
how it works?
Yes.
It's automatically synchronize all the data to the microSD card.
I think you need to do some like settings via the camera itself or via the application. But I'm not sure.
Because if you have 1
Yeah.
TB down here, it's very cool to empty 128.
That means you can
and always empty when you disconnect.
Only carry this one for your creativity. That will be very convenient as well.
How good is the optics? Is it 1-inch sensor?
1/1.3 inch sensor.
And what is the depth of field? Is there like a blurry background when I film you? It looks like a cinematic, or everything is in focus?
I like to say everything is under focus because we don't have that big like a factor.
And what's the market for Elliptic? Is it the new brand?
Globally, it's a new brand, but we will launch a product globally.
Is this the first product from Elliptic?
Yes, this is our first generation of the action of the camera.
And I see there's a black version.
Yes, we have 2 color. That means we provide 2 color, 2 SKU to our customers.
And what is the stabilization system? Is it optical as a digital stabilization, right?
Because for this type of camera, we only have a digital stabilization.
But it's good?
Yeah, it's very good. It's like, because you can use that for a lot of action scenario as well. So with our other action accessories, you can use that for your bicycling, hiking, or other stuff.
And to be honest, and to tell me the secret, are you planning to do a DJI Pocket 3 style camera?
We will have more type of camera, but I'm not so sure because
it's just starting. We will see what is possible, right?
For sure.
You have a very good engineering. You have very good factory.
For sure.
And so maybe it will be more cameras.
We will definitely have more cameras.